guys, welcome back to my lovely channel. So today I'm really excited because we're gonna be doing a little bit of a different video. We're gonna be talking about the 2021 summer collection for Louis Vuitton. Some pictures just got out there and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to make a video because it is so pretty. And you guys, I'm excited to talk about like each piece that I've seen in the picture with you guys. So yes, if you are new to my channel, hey girl, please hit that subscribe button because I'll be doing a 2,000 or 2K subscriber giveaway as soon as I hit 2,000 subscribers, which I'm like pretty close. So please hit that subscribe button and join my little fam. And of course, if you are a seasoned subscriber, I absolutely love you and I really appreciate you guys, like seriously from the bottom of my heart. I really do. Y'all are like my friends. And you guys, I do little giveaways on Instagram as well, so follow me on Instagram. It's at MakeupLoveDavina. Everything will be linked down below, so you can just hit the follow button on Instagram as well. But yeah, you guys, when I saw this collection, I was like, oh my gosh, is this real? That was the first thing that went through my head. And I ran to my phone. Well, I was technically already on my phone, but then I ran to my text messages and I contacted my CA. She's amazing. And I was like, oh my gosh, is this real? Like, can you tell me? But she really didn't couldn't confirm. She's like, well, she didn't deny it, so she was like, I don't have a release date for it yet, but I can keep you posted. As soon as I get something, I will let you know, or like as soon as you're able to see the collection or buy the collection, I will let you know ASAP. So I was like, okay, so this is legit. And I did some more like research on myself, well, by myself, and then yeah, it is like legit, you guys. And oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Okay, seriously. So yes, I wanted to show you guys my opinions, my thoughts, and then we'll talk about it. And of course, leave comments down below so we can have a chat in the comment section too. But if you don't know my channel, I would like to start my videos off with a quote. So let's get into the quote. All right, so this quote reads, and it is by Coco Chanel, and it reads, a girl should be two things, who and what she wants. So yes. But yeah, guys, thank you for joining me and clicking on my video. I'm super excited to show this to you guys. So let's go ahead and get started with the video. All right, ladies and gents. So we're going to be talking about these pieces right here. And I am seriously, I don't know what the name of this collection is going to be called. Let me just throw that out there really quick. So we're just going to call it the Sunset Vibes collection because that's what it reminds me of. It's so pretty. First, I'm going to talk about the Neverfull. Let me tell you guys, I'm gonna scream this to everyone. Seriously, if you're gonna get like a larger piece from this collection, get the Neverfull because you get 2 in 1. You get the pochette inside, the pochette accessory, whatever you want to call it, and then you get the bag itself. Okay, it is a good deal, you guys. So if you're gonna get a bigger item, I always like say, and plus you get the little bag charm. Did y'all not see how cute this bag charm is? Listen, I am living for the bag charm and I think it's so adorable. I love that it's like, seriously reminds me of Hawaii. Okay, sunset on Hawaii. I think that's what the theme that they went with. Seriously, they should like put a tag on it that says Hawaii, which I'm not mad at all, but it's like so cute and like so summery. So I'm not sure if a lot of people are gonna like it. You guys are gonna have to let me know down below how you guys feel because it is so specifically summery. Okay, but let me see and let me tell you guys this. This looks like it's gonna be Vachetta on the straps. So the scale collection, you guys, they didn't do that. They thankfully didn't. It was treated already with like a pink or whatever color you got. It was the blue, the purpley red one, or like the pink that I got. It was already treated. You guys, this looks like a Vachetta and I'm like so scared because if it is, that is a bad thing because you gotta be so careful with Vachetta. I personally don't mess with Vachetta. It has to be treated in order for me to get it, or I don't know, or if it's a little bit it's fine, but I just can't do it, you guys. It's so like not carefree. It's the opposite of that and I hate to ruin it and I don't like the look of patina either. So but you guys, so from the look of this, to me, if y'all can see, right, you see that the Neverfull right here looks like it's a MM, but then when I look at the other picture that's with it, so I was like, why is there 2 Neverfulls? But I think I figured it out, you guys. So if you look, it looks like a Neverfull MM. And then, y'all, I feel like it's a Neverfull PM. So I'm going to put them both like side by side. To me, that's what it looks like. So last year when they did the Escale collection, my favorite, they did not come out with any other sizes besides the MM for the Neverfull. So yes, that's really good though, because it's going to give more people more options. And I think it's a better like, move that they should do because you're supposed to give people other options. But again, you guys, I'm gonna move on to the on the go. Same color, same sunsetty vibes, so pretty, right? You guys, this looks like the GM to me again. Last year they did the same thing. I was gonna get the on the go for the scale collection. The GM, it is so big. I am so tiny, so when I put that on my shoulder, I look really dumb, to be honest with you, because like I would look at me on the street and be like, why in the hell is she wearing that? Like, girl, that does not look cute on you. Luggage piece, sure, if you're doing it as a carry-on, god, I don't know why you would do such an expensive carry-on, but if you're going to do it as a carry-on. By the way, you guys, I know I was sitting and I was like, you know what, let me just get up and like, you know, have some energy, move around, and we're going to talk about this. So yeah, in case you're wondering like, why is she not sitting down like she was saying she was going to do? But yeah, so on the go, I see right here. The other one I see, it is the multi pochette right here, you guys. I don't know how y'all feel about the multi pochette. I'm not a fan. I don't know. I've seen it in the store, but like I'm just not a fan. And the price increase was ridiculous for the multi pochette. I don't know if you guys noticed, but the price went up pretty much a lot this past time that they did it. So I was just like, oh, whatever. I don't even like, I'm not dealing with the price increases. It's so ridiculous. But yeah, you guys, looks like the strap is going to be white though. Again, yes, I get it. It's summery vibes, but white strap, it's going to be so hard to take care of because you're going to have to be very, very careful. And you got obviously touch the strap to put it on and off. So you're gonna have to be extremely careful with that one. But again, I love the sunsetty vibe. So on the go, and the Neverfulls look like they come with the bag charm, which is so cute. The pink flower, like straight up Hawaii kind of flower, so cute. And then you guys, do we see this blue? So this blue, a bandouliere Speedy, looks like it's a 30. I wish it was a 25. My husband's like, oh, that's really nice, because I showed him the pictures, but then it's like, wait, if it's a 30, like I can't, because it's gonna look so big on me, honestly. Like I have the 30 right here in the regular Speedy that you know, just handheld one. You guys, I want to say really quick, I did end up buying a new bag, and it is the Speedy bandouliere in the 25. So I'll do a comparison and like a whole review on that bag as well, so stay tuned. If you want to see a review on this one right here, I have it up on my channel. I'll link it down below for you guys, so check that one out. So I have mod shots and everything. So when I do my videos, I like to do mod shots so y'all can see what it looks like on me. So yeah. But I'm loving this blue, you guys. Straight up like ocean breeze, ocean and sunset. That's what I'm getting from this collection, and I am not mad at it. I think it's so beautiful. But yes, so let me know what you guys think. Do you guys love the blue? Do we love the pink sunset kind of vibes? Which one? I like the blue. I think it's very unique. And again, you guys, a cute flower, like a yellow and white flower. It's so adorable. I love it, love. This looks like, to me, does not look like Vachetta. It kind of looks white, like a white strap or something. But again, white can get so dirty. I have kids, like I could just see my kids grabbing the strap with like some like hot Cheeto hands or something. Oh my god, that would be so horrible. I would cry. No, I wouldn't, but well, maybe, because it's so dang expensive, right? But yeah, I see that one right there. If y'all see my lashes a little wonky, I'm sorry. I apologize. Like, it's been a long day and my lashes are not working with me. So yeah. But the other one we see is the Neverfull. So the Neverfull is going to come in the blue as well, you guys. So again, the Neverfull, can't stress it enough. If you're going to get a bigger piece, get the Neverfull. But I love the Neverfull that it comes with this yellow flower and this blue color. The like ombre effect of it is so beautiful, you guys. Again, we will see if it's Vachetta or if it's like a white strap or treated leather Vachetta, whatever to it. I hope it is treated, that way you can kind of avoid. I feel like a lot of people are going to stay away from the collection if it's Vachetta. That would be me included. It's like a hair on me. But yes, you guys, I don't know. Like, I'm loving the collection. So let me really quickly say, me personally, I don't know if I'm going to get anything big from it. I do want something small, so I'm probably gonna hopefully like get my hands on a mini pochette. Last year I was so mad that I could not get my hands on the Scale Collections mini pochette. I'm pointing up because I'm going to show you guys my Scale piece right here. But I was so upset, you guys. I tried for months and months and months to find a mini pochette. No luck. But thankfully I was able to get the Neverfull in the Scale collection, which is my favorite collection. honestly, by far, I feel like personally me, why? Like, I love pink, I love ombre, I like the tie-dye effect. That's what it reminds me of. So absolutely loving that. And what else? What else? So yes, mini pochette, or if it comes in a Victorine wallet. I own like 3 Victorine wallets, but you know, it's okay. You can never have too many pieces. Of course, it's not the same color, so it's like we have different combos to it. But yeah, I can add a Victorine wallet or a Zoe wallet. Between the Zoe and the Victorine, I kind of like the Victorine wallet better. So yes, what else could they possibly be in? Bag charms. They're probably gonna have a bag charm, which I'm probably gonna look at that too. And a bandeau that you, a twilly bandeau, whatever, that you wrap around your bag, or like make it like a cutesy little bow or something. So cute. So those are like the stuff that I have. Like I want to really know about and have my eye on those ones. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna get a bigger piece. Like, I don't know. It's a very specific collection, you guys, because it is so like so summery. Like, if you lived in a place where it's tropical, go for it, girl. I live in a state where it's hot most of the time of the year. I live in Arizona, so, or the Phoenix area I should say, because Arizona people think like, oh, it's different parts to it, but yeah, I live in the burning hot section of Phoenix. But yes, it is so nice out all the time. Well, I don't mind the heat, actually. Well, that's a whole different, another conversation. But yes, I can get away with summery bags all year long, honestly. But you know, like, it's even to me, like, it's a little too specific. So I don't know how I feel. The blue is really nice though. My husband's like, I really like this blue color. So, but again, I don't know if I can shell out. We're gonna get into the pricing. I don't know if I can shell out that much money. It's just, I don't love it that much, to be really like bold. Maybe if I see it and I'm like, okay, I changed my mind, I want it. But let's talk about pricing. The pricing is probably going to be between, for the bigger items, the bags, it's probably going to be between $2,300 to like $2,900. Actually, they might have a price increase, so scratch that. It's going to probably be between 25 and probably like 3,100, 3,200. It's probably going to be really kind of expensive. I feel like they're going to do another price increase when they launch this. Let's just be real. They're having price increases like every other day, to be honest, and it's so ridiculous. I get it. They don't want like everyone to have their stuff, I feel like, but come on, okay? It's a little ridiculous. But yeah, you guys, so as y'all can see, I'm gonna put the whole collection up here now. So what do we think? Which one do we like? Let me know down below, you guys. I love to know you guys' thoughts. I love talking to my subscribers. Y'all are literally like my friends, seriously. I am absolutely loving this collection. Like I said, I'm leaning more towards the blue if I have to. Oh my gosh, I'm kind of really excited for the blue now I'm thinking about it, because I'm thinking like, oh, what if they do like a mini pochette? I feel like it's gonna hopefully have like a little yellowy flower or like a pink flower to the mini pochette with the LVs. Oh, so pretty. I would scream. Like, that would be so cute, right? But yeah. So again, like I said, price-wise, it's going to be very expensive, ladies. So yeah. Another thing I want to scream to you guys is, if you want something from this collection, please talk to your CA, SA, whatever you want to call it. Get on the phone right now even. Like I did to mine. I was like, hey, can you let me know? She's like, I'll keep you posted. So she's going to let me know when it launches, or pre-launch, or whatever. Whenever I'm able to kind of like see it. Sheesh. But yeah, you guys, this collection is probably going to go like this. Just like that scale. Especially with everything going on right now, all their bags are really hard to find. So before we end this video, like, I'm trying to keep this short. I want to show you guys my beauty right here. I have a whole video on this, you guys, with my daughter. If you want to see a true unboxing, I will link that video down below so you guys can see. It's so cute with her in it, and it's like we're opening this up. It's my Louis Vuitton unboxing for the Neverfull or the scale. But yeah, I like to keep her in here because I don't want it to mess up, right? I love it. But yeah, you guys, here she is. Let me turn my brightness down a little bit. So I turned my brightness down for you guys. Do you guys not love? See, I absolutely love this collection. I'm trying to get it to where you guys can't really see. The lights on here is really messing it up. But you guys, look, this is what I'm talking about. Y'all get 2 pieces in one. You can dress this up, dress this down. You can do this as a clutch when you're going out, hanging out with your girls, or brunch, whatever. So pretty, you guys. This is like my, seriously, like my dream bag, because if I can think of an item that they can make for me, this would be it. Super tie-dye effect, pink. I absolutely love this collection, you guys. So that is pretty much it, you guys. If you have any questions, comments, everything, just leave them down below. Of course, you know I love talking to you guys, and well, let's talk about these new collections that's coming out. And if you guys like this video too, let me know, because I can make more of these if I find stuff out. And yes, so thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram. I thank you so much. Bye, y'all.